Imagine this. You wake up each morning not to an alarm clock but to the sunrise. You sip your coffee, check your bank account, and see another deposit. This isn't a fantasy. This is a reality for many, and it can be yours too. The best part? This opportunity is completely free. You don't need to invest a dime to start earning. This is about unlocking your potential and tapping into a proven system. A system that can generate substantial income, all from the comfort of your home. Are you ready to discover how? Keep reading. This is your chance to change your life. Imagine working from anywhere. Picture yourself on a beach, laptop in hand, earning while you relax. This is the power of online income. This is the freedom we all crave. No more bosses, no more commutes, just you and your potential. This is about taking control of your financial future. It's about building a life you love, on your terms. This opportunity is knocking at your door. Are you going to answer? This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building a sustainable income stream. This is about learning valuable skills that will empower you for years to come. This is about joining a community of like-minded individuals, people who are on the same journey to financial freedom. This is more than just making money. It's about creating a life of abundance and purpose. This is your invitation to a world of possibilities. A world where you can earn substantial income, free from the constraints of a traditional job. This is your chance to break free from the chains of debt and financial worry. This is your opportunity to live the life you've always dreamed of. Don't let this chance slip away. This is your moment. Merlin Holmes was just like you. He faced the challenges of the pandemic, struggling to make ends meet. He was worried about his family and his future. He needed to find a way to generate income. Then, he stumbled upon a simple yet powerful three-step formula. Skeptical at first, he decided to try it. He dedicated himself to learning and implementing the steps. The results were astonishing. His life transformed. Merlin's story is not unique. He wants to help others escape financial struggles. Are you ready to follow his lead? The first step is about self-discovery. It's about identifying your unique skills and passions. What are you naturally good at? What do you enjoy doing? The answers to these questions hold the key to your online success. Think about your hobbies, your interests, and your past experiences. Somewhere within lies your hidden talent. Don't dismiss your skills as insignificant. Even seemingly simple abilities can be monetized online. Are you a great baker? You could offer online baking classes. Are you a talented writer? You could offer freelance writing services. The possibilities are endless. The key is to identify what you enjoy and what you're good at. Once you've identified your talent, it's time to hone it. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll become. The better you become, the more valuable your skills will be. Invest time in developing your talent. This is an investment in your future. This step is about empowering yourself. It's about recognizing your potential and taking ownership of your skills. It's about building confidence in your abilities. This confidence will be crucial as you move forward on your journey to financial freedom. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Now that you know your talent, it's time to create an offer. This is what you will present to the world. This is how you will generate income. Your offer should be something people want and need, something that solves a problem or fulfills a desire. Think about what value you can provide to others. Your offer should be clear, concise, and compelling. It should communicate the benefits of what you're offering. Why should people choose you? What makes you unique? Highlight your strengths and showcase your expertise. Make your offer irresistible. Consider different formats for your offer. You could create an online course, an ebook, a coaching program, or a membership site. The possibilities are endless. Choose a format that aligns with your talent and your target audience. Think about what would be most valuable to them. This step is about packaging your talent into a marketable product or service. It's about creating something that people will pay for. This is where your income stream begins. This is where your journey to financial freedom takes shape. Section 5, Step 3, Unleashing the Power of the Internet. The Internet is your marketplace. It's where you will connect with your customers. It's where you will generate sales. This is where the magic happens. This is where you will turn your talent into a profitable business. This is where you will achieve financial freedom. There are countless platforms you can use to reach your audience. Social media, email marketing, and online advertising are just a few examples. Choose the platforms that best suit your offer and your target audience. Learn how to use these tools effectively. Building an online presence takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent. Don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Consistency is key. The more you engage with your audience, the more you will build trust and credibility. This step is about leveraging the power of the internet to reach a global audience. It's about building a community of followers and customers. And it's about creating a sustainable income stream that can change your life. Section 6. Sophia's story, from single mom to successful entrepreneur. Sophia was a single mom struggling to make ends meet. She was working 2 jobs, but she still couldn't afford to provide for her children. She felt overwhelmed and hopeless. She knew she needed to find a way to earn more money, but she didn't know how. Then she discovered Merlin's 3-step formula. She was hesitant at first, but she decided to give it a try. She identified her talent for creating beautiful handmade jewelry. She crafted an irresistible offer, showcasing her unique designs and high-quality materials. She launched an online store and started promoting her jewelry on social media. The response was overwhelming. Her jewelry quickly became a hit, and she started earning more money than she ever thought possible. She was able to quit her 2 jobs and focus on her business. Sophia's story is a testament to the power of this formula. It's proof that anyone can achieve financial freedom, regardless of their circumstances. Her story is an inspiration to single moms everywhere. Section 7. Michael's journey, escaping the 9-to-5 grind. Michael was tired of the 9-to-5 grind. He dreamed of working from home and spending more time with his family. He felt trapped in his corporate job, but he didn't know how to escape. He longed for a life of freedom and flexibility. He discovered Merlin's formula and decided to give it a try. He identified his passion for teaching and his expertise in computer programming. He created an online course teaching beginners how to code. He marketed his course through online advertising and social media. His course quickly gained popularity, and he began earning a substantial income. He was able to quit his corporate job and work from home full-time. He finally achieved the freedom and flexibility he had always craved. Michael's story is a testament to the power of pursuing your passions. It's proof that anyone can escape the 9-to-5 grind and create a life they love. His story is an inspiration to anyone seeking a more fulfilling career. Section 8. Addressing your doubts. Is this too good to be true? You might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. It's natural to be skeptical. We've all heard promises of easy money before. But this is different. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a sustainable income stream through hard work and dedication. This formula works because it's based on fundamental principles of business. It's about identifying your strengths, creating a valuable offer, and reaching your target audience. These are proven strategies that have worked for countless entrepreneurs. This is not about overnight success. It takes time and effort to build a successful online business, but the rewards are worth it. The financial freedom, the flexibility, and the sense of accomplishment are invaluable. If you're willing to put in the work, this formula can change your life. Don't let your doubts hold you back. This is your chance to achieve your financial dreams. Section 9. Why this works now. Tapping into the digital gold rush. The internet has created unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs. The digital economy is booming, and there's never been a better time to start an online business. This is the digital gold rush, and you can be a part of it. Millions of people are making money online every day. They are selling products, offering services, and building communities. They are achieving financial freedom and living life on their own terms. You can too. The internet has leveled the playing field. Anyone with an internet connection can start an online business. You don't need a fancy degree or a lot of money. You just need a willingness to learn and a desire to succeed. This is your chance to tap into the digital gold rush. This is your opportunity to create a life of abundance and freedom. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Section 10. The urgency of now. Don't miss your chance. This is not an opportunity that will last forever. The digital landscape is constantly evolving. The sooner you start, the better. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now. Every day you wait is a day you're not earning. Every day you hesitate is a day closer to someone else seizing this opportunity. Don't let that happen. This is your chance. This is your moment to take control of your financial future. This is your time to shine. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The time to act is now. This is your call to action. Don't let this opportunity slip away. This is your chance to change your life forever. Section 11. Your free ticket to financial freedom. Join the web class. Ready to learn more? Join our free web class and discover how you can earn $5,203.89 daily from home. This is your free ticket to financial freedom. In this web class, Merlin Holmes will reveal his proven 3-step formula. He will share his secrets to online success and guide you on your journey to financial independence. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. This web class is completely free. There's no obligation to purchase anything. This is simply an opportunity to learn and discover how you can change your life. Register now and secure your spot. Don't wait. Spaces are limited. Click the link below to register for the free web class and start your journey to financial freedom today.